Curry fans are going to love this one. Chettinad chicken straight from the Tamil Nadu region of India. So gather the family around, throw away the takeaway menu and get stuck into this belter of a curry. First thing we're going to do is to make a little marinade. So we're going to add some chili powder to chopped up chicken breasts along with some turmeric and then equal measures of garlic and ginger and then some plain natural or Greek yogurt. Give it a pinch of salt, mix it all through and then pop it in the fridge and for about half an hour minimum. A little bit longer is going to be better, and you could obviously use thighs if you wanted. Now, toast the spices. We're adding all the dried spices to a large wok or pan, the one that you're going to use to make this curry. And if you've never toasted spices, this just releases a lot more flavour, and you want to cook them until you start hearing them crackle and you start seeing and smelling some of the toasting flavour. Don't burn them. And then just pop them into a spice grinder or blender and blitz them until they are smooth. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people will get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Then when it comes to making the curry, we're going to heat some coconut oil on a reasonably high heat and then add some more fennel seeds, let them infuse into the oil before adding your onion and frying that until it's softened. Add more garlic and ginger and then tip all that chicken into it along with some chopped cherry tomatoes. And you just want to cook that to get some colour on the chicken. It doesn't need to be fully cooked through, just give it about 5 minutes. Add all of that spice mix along with some chili powder and enough water just to cover it. For about 10 minutes you're going to simmer that on this high heat to let it really thicken up and reduce, and then all you're going to do is just plate it up, garnish with some fresh coriander and get stuck in. For serving suggestions, the classics naan bread, rice, poppadoms are going to be the best bet. So there we have it, Chettinad chicken. Bit different to some of the other curries I've been doing on this channel recently, because most of them have been more geared towards the kind that you would find in a British Indian takeaway restaurant here. But this is more of the real deal. So hopefully you enjoy this one. And it's probably going to be a bit different to any of the curries you've had before, because most of the heat is coming from the black pepper as opposed to chili flakes or fresh chilies. But it's absolutely delicious and I hope you enjoy it. And as always, if you'd like the full recipe for this, you can get it inside my Food for Fitness recipes app. If you just click the link below in the description, you can download it and you'll get this recipe along with about 300 other high protein recipes with all the nutrition information included. Anyway, all that's left is for me to go and eat some of this, and hopefully we'll see you back here on the channel soon. See ya!